Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me somebody else's video that doesn't speak English and they're missing a part and they can't get something to work or they're not doing something. I'm going to make a six-sided polygon. I'm going to hit the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the Shift key. I'm going to make it smaller. And then I'm going to grab that X right there. I'm going to put it right there. Now I'm going to hit the plus key. While I'm moving down, I'm going to hold the Shift key down or the Control key down, and then it's perfect. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 10 inches. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, set on, let's use an orange, and I'm going to fill that in and move it over. So here's what so I clicked it twice with my left arrow key. I'm just going to move this out of the way. So I'm going to click it back. And now I'm working semi in the center of the page, or at least I can rotate it. I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node. Now I draw in red hairline. So I'm going to right click and make it into white. And then I'm going to make it like, that irritates me. So I'm going to change it right now. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard. And I'm going to change it to points. And now I'm going to make it like 10 points. Now here's what he's doing wrong. He's trying to Gussie and blur it, but to Gussie and blur it, you have to convert it to a bitmap because the blur is a bitmap effect. Then I'm going to go to effects and blur and Gussie and blur. And what this is going to do, it appears like it's a corner. So like this piece is going up and this piece is coming down. I might even play with that later. Now we want to group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page over here. And I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. So you can make it, there's several other things we could do with this, but it is a pretty cool effect. I mean, this looks like it's coming down and then going back. Looks like a bend in the plastic. Let's go ahead and put a black box around it to make it really stand out. And if I play around with it again, I'll make another video. That's pretty cool because it looks like it's kind of like especially this one, it looks like a block and you can't see all the block. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.